I've just been out filming a video for the Lone Rider top box, and I wanted to do a quick video. 2 seconds. I wanted to do a quick video on the audio differences between the Osmo Action 4, the Osmo Action 5, and then the DJI Mic 2. So at the minute I've got the 4 and the 5 both on. Both channels are set to mono, and wind noise reduction is off because there is pretty much no wind at all right now. So this is the Osmo Action 4. What do we think? The camera is less than an arm's length away. This is a very typical scenario of what would happen when I'd be walking around the bike. And then now this is the Osmo Action 5. Is there a noticeable difference between the two cameras? Would you pick one camera over the other, go and buy this audio? Because sometimes it's an extra faff getting the mic out of the helmet, making sure I change the audio, whatever it may be. Whereas, is it good enough where you can just turn the camera on and talk to it? Well, now I'm going to connect the DJI Mic 2 and I'm going to connect it to the Action 5, and then we'll test that out as well. And here we go then. So this is now the DJI Mic 2. The mic is on the outside of the shirt. Sometimes I'll put it on the inside just to kind of clean up the look a little. Wind reduction is off, and I have it on +3 gain. When I'm on the bike, I'll turn it to -9 because it's just a bit too noisy otherwise. But yeah, +3 on the DJI Mic 2. Make sure you drop a comment below. Let me know, what do you think between the 4 and the 5 first of all? Which one, if either, sounded better, or did they sound the same? And then whichever one you thought won out of the 4 and the 5, put that up against the DJI Mic 2. Which one would you then pick? Straight camera audio or mic audio? Obviously the benefit of having the mic audio, I'm balancing a tripod hand, there's no feet to it, just in the back box. Yeah, the benefit of having the mic audio over just the camera, it means I can go wherever I want, I can walk around the bike, I can maneuver around, I can do this. Whereas obviously if you just got the camera, you're not going to be able to. But yeah, short, sweet. Let me know below which one you prefer. I'm going to try and do some more of these kind of like little videos around the Osmo Action 5 and the Mic 2. So if there's anything that you want to know settings wise, how to do certain things, how to connect, whatever, I don't know, let me know below and I'll add it to the video list. I hope you found this a little bit useful. If you have, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, subscribe to the channel. And there's nothing to say, but until the next one, ride safe.